people who are afraid of scams don't have a business mindset, because if you're afraid of scams, you're afraid of making the wrong decision because you're afraid of losing money. And you cannot count on that you will always 100% of the time make the right decision. And if you are afraid of scams and afraid of making the wrong decision, you will take way too long. You will be pondering over every single decision and oftentimes not make any decision. And that means you are stuck. That means you're not moving forward. Making wrong decisions and therefore also losing money is part of the game. It's part of developing. It's part of growing a business. So you have to be okay with making wrong decisions and just move on. Don't ponder over it. Don't feel bad about it. Just move on to the next thing. When I'm buying something, it doesn't matter how much it costs. Like, also I bought a program that cost $18,000. I just decided right there on the call after half an hour talking to the salesperson that I wanted it, and that was it. I didn't feel bad about it, even though it is a lot of money, because I'm not afraid of making a wrong decision. If it's a wrong decision, then I learn from it. I still get something out of it. So if you're a coach, consultant, or agency and you are looking for clients, we can definitely help you with that. So book a call to learn more, and give me a like, follow, and subscribe.